Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to create a record from code in Odoo. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 14 community edition where we are continuing our Odoo 14 development tutorials. So in this video we will be discussing about how to create a record from code. Even though we have created different records like patients and appointments, suppose if I go to the hospital menu, you can see we have created a lot of records. Still those creation is handled by Odoo. What we have simply done, we have just defined a form view, and on clicking save, Odoo automatically adds the corresponding values to the database, yet we haven't used a create method of our own. So in this video we will be discussing about how to create a record from the code. So right now we can see we have added a wizard. What we will be explaining in this video is that suppose if I enter a patient, if I enter a name here, and on clicking create we have to add a record inside the appointment model. So this create method is not Odoo's, this button is added by us. So we will be showing how to create a record from code in Odoo. So first of all what I'll be doing is that I'll be duplicating this tab. So I'll duplicate this tab, and if I go to the appointments model, so I'm looking to create a record to this database table, that is hospital.appointment, from this wizard that we have added. So if you check here in the appointment model, what all fields we have required, we need to get or we need to pass a patient ID, and this is only required field, and we have to set a date. So what I'll be doing is that from the wizard that we have created, instead of name, this is a character field, I'll change this name to a date field so that we can select a date for the appointment. So let's see how we can create a record on clicking this create button using the value entered in these fields. So if I go to the PyCharm, and this is my custom add-ons path, and if I open Odoo OM hospital module, and inside the wizard we have the corresponding files of the wizard, that is the py and the xml file of the wizard. So if I open the create appointment.py file, here you can see we have added a name field, and we have a patient ID minute one field, and this is the action that getting executed on the create button. Just we will be printing button is clicked, so we will be adding the code for creating a record here. So before starting that, first of all I'll change this name field to a date field. So I have to change its type. Instead of char, I'll change to date, and string also I'll update as date, and I'll be setting it as a required and name this also as a required. So as I have changed it to a date field, I'll give the string as date appointment. So date appointment, so I'll be going into the corresponding view, that is the corresponding form view, and instead of name I'll give the new field name, that is date appointment. So let's upgrade the module and see what happens right now. So I have restarted the service. Now I'll be going into the UI, and from the UI I'll be upgrading the Odoo 14 development tutorials module. So yet if you haven't got this module, you can just go to the Odoo app store and you can download this code for free. Just search for Odoo development tutorials by Odoomath. So we have successfully upgraded the module. So right now if you refresh the view, and if you click on the create appointment, you can see you have a date field where you can choose the date and you can select the patient. So right now what we'll be doing is that on clicking the create, we have to add a new record to the appointment table. So here you can see in the appointment table like this, I need to get a new record with a patient that we have selected, that is Sam. We need to get a record here, Sam, with the date that we have choose here, that is 21st May 2021. Like this, we need to add a record inside this database table. So let's see how we can do that using code in Odoo. So right now I have shown you by creating manually. So let's see how we can do that from code. So if I go to the PyCharm, and if you click on place the mouse over this, so currently the debug mode is not activated. So I'll go to the settings, and from the settings I'll be activating the debug mode. So once the debug mode is activated, and if I come back to the create appointment, so I'll be choosing a date and I'll be choosing a patient, and you can see if you place the mouse over this button, you can see the method. The button type is object. As it is a button type object, it will call Python function, and the name of the function is action create appointment. Action create appointment. That function you can see here, action create appointment. So we have to add the codes here. So what I'll be doing, I'll be first of all I'll be creating a dictionary, vals equal to, so in the Python I'll be just creating a dictionary, and the dictionary is like I'll be opening, or instead of opening I'll go to the UI, and from the UI let me try to find the patient this field names. So here also I need to activate debug mode. So what I'll be doing, I'll be duplicating this tab, so the debug mode I can get, and if I go to the appointment, I need to get the field names here. So here if you check, the name of the field is, the name of the technical name of the field patient is patient ID, patient ID. So I'll, in the dictionary I'll add patient ID equal to, simply I'll add a key, and I'll put self dot patient ID dot ID, comma, the next key. So if I come back to the browser, I need to set value to the date field. You can see the field name is date appointment, date appointment. So I'll add one more key, date appointment, and self dot date appointment. So simply I have created a dictionary, and the key must be, so this dictionary I'm going to pass to the create method. So I'll add one more code, self dot env, to the which model you have to add the record. We have to add record to this model, hospital dot appointment, hospital dot appointment. So I'll copy that name and I will put it here, that is self dot env. I'm initializing an object of that model, and I'll call the create method of that model, self.env. I have specified the model name where I have to create the record. So I'm going to create a record inside this database table, that is hospital.appointment, and I have called the create method of that model, and I'll pass this dictionary to the create method. So once you do like this, you will be able to create record inside this model. So regarding the dictionary, the key of the dictionary must be field names of the corresponding model. That is, we are going to create a record inside this database table, so the key must be the fields inside this table. So the patient ID, here you can see this is the field name, patient ID. I need to set value to this field, and the date field is date appointment, and so the key, we have successfully set the key, and what value has to come to this key, self dot patient ID. So self dot patient ID will give the value that we have selected inside the wizard. Inside self dot patient ID you will be getting this value, and when you call self dot appointment date you will be getting this value. So we have created a dictionary. So just first let's print the dictionary. So right now I'll comment this code, and if you print the dictionary, print, I'll print the vals, that is my dictionary that I have created. So I'll just print the vals, and if I restart the service and I'll clear the log, and this function will be getting executed on clicking the create button in the wizard. So if I go to the browser and if I click on create, and if you come back to the PyCharm, you can see the message button is clicked. Vals in the patient ID we are getting 1 because self.patient_id.id. So when you're assigning value to a many to one field, so this patient ID, if you go to the appointment.py file, the patient ID field in the appointment model is a many to one field. So when we are setting a value to a many to one field, we have to set its ID, that is I'm setting self.patient_id.id. so I have to pass the ID to the many to one field. So you can see the ID coming is 1, and the date appointment, in the date appointment you can getting 21st of the May 2021 that we have selected. Now we will be passing this to the create method of hospital.patient model. So let's see what happens right now. So I'll be restarting the service once again. and I'll be going into the UI and I'll be creating a record from the wizard. So we have uncommented this code and I'll delete the log. Now what we will be doing, I'll be going into the UI, and before creating from here, so I'll be choosing which date, June 1st, and let the patient be Sarah. So right now, before clicking the create button, if you go to the appointments table, you can see you have 15 records here. So right now in the appointments table you have only 15 records. So what happens if I click on create? There is no errors, and if I refresh, you can see one more record has been created for Sarah Isaac, OT0016 Sarah Isaac, with the date June 1st. So this is how simple you can add a record from code. So you can see right now we have 16 record. Let's create one more. So if I go to the appointment, create, I'll choose June 2nd and patient as Jennifer, and if you click on create, you can see, and if you refresh, you can see the new record has been created. So this is how you can create a record from code in Odoo. So that's it for this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.